journalists, I consider you as, shall we say, experts. You are no longer emergent or slow learners. You belong to high learner students. So ang ini-expect namin sa inyo in the ARAL program is to further enhance your skills in reading, science, and mathematics. So we will be providing tutors to the emergent readers. Pero sa inyo, you will not be provided with tutors. Instead, kayong mga journalists kasi may special skills,